Hi guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new to my channel, my name's Melanie and I do food hauls. Once a week I typically go to Asda. At the moment it's only been the last 4 weeks maybe. I did a top-up shop in the week, which you would have seen if you watched my videos, and today I've been and tried to do a weekly food haul. And now I've had a migraine since I've got up and I find it difficult to do a lot of things properly when I've got a migraine, so I can't remember what I got, and I've even just put it out as well, so I don't know if I've got enough, I don't know yet. So I'm going to show you everything that I got. It came to £93 something. There is a bag of frozen strawberries in the freezer and a bag of ice, which I'm not going to go to the freezer. There was no ice lollies because some of the freezers were off. I don't know if they've got an issue with it. And I've also got a 9-pack of coconut oil toilet rolls. So the first thing I picked up was this mixed bean salad. I feel like I've got one of these in the cupboard already, but I don't know. I just saw it, I thought that's interesting. I just got 1 pack of Fibre One bars. I mean, I don't know if I should show you this drawer, but this is the snack drawer. It's also the dog treat drawer. And I emptied all the boxes last night and just dropped everything in here because the boxes take up loads of room. But I've got bits of snacks in here, like loads of Skinny Crunch bars. These are my favourite Skinny Dream ones. These salted caramel ones are amazing. Got a protein bar that's probably gone off because it's open. Fibre One salted caramel. I've got these Lentil Curls from Aldi. They're not brilliant, but I'll eat them. The Mo Health chocolate mint bars, these. So I've got bits of snacks, so I decided not to get too many because I need to get through some of these, even though I do prefer them. Then I got Ritz cheese flavour. These are for the person that I live with. I normally get them. I can't remember what they're called. They're those large cheese biscuit things. Can't even remember the brand, but they didn't have the cheese ones. They had the original ones and another one, but they prefer the cheese ones. I can't even remember the brand name. It's because my head's pounding. Then I picked myself up this Tilde Caribbean rice and peas because it was 90p. I was looking for the peri peri one. I think that's the flavour, but they didn't have it. And this was the last rice and peas, and I believe I've had this before and I liked it. I've got 2 of these, the strong and sweet Mediterranean salad. I got one of these last week and a different one, and this was the better of the 2. Normally I get the large salad tray, which if you watch my midweek one, that's what I normally get, but there weren't any of them, so I just picked up 2 of these. I also picked them up, the person that I live with, these cheese twists. I don't think I've ever picked them up before. I'm not entirely sure what they are, but I'm sure they'll like them. Then I got some sweet and... Oh, I got the wrong one. I thought that it was the apple balsamic infused. I've never tried these, but I'll give them a go because I've obviously bought them. Then I got sweet and fruity baby plum tomatoes. These are the ones that I tend to get. They've got a dog hair on. Also, I do have Nurofen. I've just took 2 of them because I've only took 2 today because I ran out. And sometimes Nurofen works better than paracetamol, but I have also had 6 Panadol since about 7 o'clock this morning, and it's 2 in the afternoon. Well, it's 3 o'clock, so I'm probably still ahead of what I should have. There's a red pepper there, and then for dog treats I got Wag Tasty Bones in chicken and liver. She liked the ones that I got her the other day. She's just actually had a few. Then I got her the Asda Hero large dental chews. I thought they were the medium ones. I didn't get pedigree because they're not on offer, and these were like 70 something p. She doesn't have these that often because they're not a favourite, although she doesn't mind them though. When I first got her, she was being really fussy about what she had, and she had them and then she went off them. I had to get her the chewy duck ones again because the chicken ones aren't in stock still, but they have the big bag. But I didn't get the big bag because I was trying to stay under £100. But even if I got the big bag, I still would have been under, but she's got these ones. Then I got creamy super fast oats. The one that I got last time was the Quaker rolled oats in a box, and the super low, and I put them in my smoothies. So I've just got these basically for smoothie, but I liked the box because it was easier to manage and I could put it anywhere. Whereas that, if I knock it over, it's just going to go everywhere. This is the bread that we've been getting. It's the superseded. We've got like 2 slices left. Bananas for smoothies, a cucumber, cotton pads for me. 412s, I spotted them this week. I was looking for them last week and I couldn't see them. Salt and vinegar crisps, the dog in the background, probably choking on her own fur. Ginger, because if I don't feel well, I have hot lemon, ginger and honey. So I always have fresh ginger and lemons. The dog's crunching on ice. I don't know if you just heard that, but she's got one of those ice dishes where it's ice inside. But I also leave some water in the bottom of the dish when I freeze it. So when I put water in, there's a big lump of ice and she munches on it. So I got this Dove deodorant in passion fruit and lemongrass because I'd never seen this scent before. I'm currently using the pomegranate. What is it, pomegranate and lemon, or is it just pomegranate? Which was in here, and then my Mitchum is it Mitchum powder fresh ran out, and it's not on offer. I do try to get stuff on offer because it gets really pricey. Anyway, I spotted this and it was like $1.50, so I thought I'll try that. Shaving gel, which I completely ran out of. This was on offer for £2. I got a Fajita Smoky barbecue spice mix to have in case I ever want to like make fajitas or just use it as a to like make my chicken taste like it, basically, without having to have the rest of the stuff. Then I've got 4 Lindals. So I've got vanilla because I've got one in the fridge and I had one this morning. I've got banoffee pie and I've got 2 lemon cheesecakes because ever since I tried it they've not had it, so I picked up 2 and it's 4 for £3. Then I've just eaten this. It was a teriyaki chicken teriyaki noodle salad. It was really, really nice. You can warm it up if you wanted, but it means putting it in the microwave. If I was going to warm it up, I'd just quickly do it in the frying pan with a little bit of fry light. But because I was so hungry, I had it. And then I also got 2 sandwiches. The other one isn't here, but it was cheese and pickle. It was a Plowman's one. The reason why I got 2 sandwiches and the noodle salad is because in Asda, in that section, it's 3 for 2. So you can have 3 sandwiches and get 1 free. You can have 2 sandwiches and get a drink free. You can have 2 noodle salads and a sandwich and get 1 free. So that's basically what I did. So the other sandwich I won't be eating either, but it's barbecue chicken and bacon. Then I got this, which isn't for me again. Normally I get fish cakes for the person that I live with or something else, but all the fish cakes had tomorrow's date on or Sundays, and I needed something that they could have middle of next week. So this has a really good date on. So there's 2 in here. It's the red tide infused salmon fillets by Young's. I think it was like £4 full price. So if you were getting 2 things, you save £1. Then I don't know where I'm going to put this. Corned beef and ham. That isn't ham. I got corned beef and ham like the other day because it's 2 for £3 or £2 each. And then I picked up a pack of pepperoni because it was only $1.25. And that's for sandwiches for the person that I live with, or they can put it on something if they want. I put $1.25 for all, that's a lot. I mean, it might not be. Then I just dropped it. Pack of black puddings. See, my brain's not working because my head's really bad. This is for the person that I live with. They'll have it as part of the breakfast on Saturday. They might have 1 piece or they might have 2. And then next week there'll be 2 or 3 left or whatever. But that's for them. I got them some buttery and herby baby potatoes and the cheapest mash that they do. The reason I got these is because every single day when they cook their evening meal, they have chips. And they're going for a bag of chips a week, and I don't think it's healthy to eat oven chips every single day. And they used to have like potatoes some days, and they'd have mash some days, and they might have chips once a week. But for the last couple of months, they've had chips every single day because they just want to shove whatever they've got in the oven. So I've got them these because they need to stop eating chips as much as they're eating. I also picked these up for them. I just noticed the date. If they only have 1 or 2 of these, I'm going to freeze the other one, so then they've got them in. But they used to like to have sausages with the breakfast on a Saturday, and then they're like, oh, I don't like these sausages, I don't like these sausages, the skin's too thick, I don't like these. And they kept moaning about it. So they did have these in once, a long time ago, so I got them. And then they wanted them every week, but they didn't ever have them. But the last few weeks I spotted them, and this week I decided to get them. So they can have 1 or 2. Probably only have 1 though. So last week I got 2 lots of this. It's 2 for £7. And 1 for me, 1 for the person that I live with. And they absolutely liked it. Said it was really nice, really tasty. So I've basically done the same again this week, because I knew I was going to get it for me because I am enjoying it. But I probably won't get it every week forever for myself. Then I spotted these Richmond barbecue sauce flavoured meatless sausages. I've not had the Richmond meat-free sausages for a long time, but when I first got them, I didn't love them. Didn't hate them either, but I'm hoping these are really good, and I'm probably going to freeze some of them as well, because I don't want to have 8 sausages, because it's 2 a day. That'd be 4 days like that. I don't want to have this for 4 days in a row. So yeah, I just thought I'd try them. A peanut butter for the person that I live with, because theirs is about to run out. They eat a lot of peanut butter. I also picked them up Branston pickle, because sometimes when I make them a cheese sandwich, I think it'd be nice with Branston pickle on. And like I said, they've just took a ploughman sandwich with them because they like the pickle, so I actually picked one up. Birdseed, I just got 1 because I feel like Asda's Birdseed is like nearly £1 more than anywhere else. So we've still got a bit left. So this we'll have to do, because we've got mealworm pellets, we've got coconut halves, we've got some actual mealworms, so they'll have enough. 3 red onions, because I've got like the smallest amount left of 1. I picked up 2 almond milks because there was only 3 available, and I thought I'll leave 1 for someone else, because that's the type of thing I do. Even if I wanted 3, I can go in the week and get another one if I need to. I just feel like I'd appreciate it if someone left 1 for me, so that's what I did. I started drinking this 2 weeks ago. I'm just about to run out of it. I think I've maybe got 1 use left, or 1 serving left. I've been having iced coffee. Sometimes I have 2 a day. In fact, I'm going to have a second one today, because sometimes coffee or caffeine helps with migraines. So when I've put all this away, I'm going to make one. And I basically do a heaped teaspoon in a coffee cup. And I either fill the coffee cup to the top with water if I'm going out and coming back to make it. Like if I walk the dog in the morning, I'll make the coffee because I know it'll be cold when I come back. But if not, I'll do it just over half full and put ice cubes in. And then dissolve the ice cubes and then use the coffee with loads of other ice and about 100ml of milk. And some My Protein vanilla flavoured drops. So that's what I do. I got 3 1.25 litre bottles of Pepsi Max because it's 3 for £3. I've picked up 3 of the sparkling apple and mango flavoured waters because I actually like this one. And as I've said in previous videos, there isn't much choice for the sparkling flavoured waters. I think there's a summer fruits one which I didn't like. There's a peach one which doesn't taste good, so I get my peach one from Lidl. There is another one, but I can't remember what it is. They need to do more flavours. I think I've got 2 Highland Spring because I'm very low. I might have to get a couple more in the week. And I got 4 Orange Lucases because when I don't feel well, because I was ill last Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I had one every day from the shop, and they're £1.25 for this size each, and these are £2.50 for 4. So I've picked up 4, so I've got them in and I don't need to buy them. Oh, I was just about to finish it and I noticed this. I have a Furry Platinum. It's just a small one. It's on offer for 90p. My Furry probably will run out either at the weekend or at the start of next week, so I've just got it for when I run out, basically. And that is everything that I've got, except for obviously I told you about the bag of ice, and I've got a bag of frozen strawberries. Sometimes I get like the mixed fruit that's got other berries in, and I did contemplate getting just blueberries today because blueberries are extremely good for you, but then again, strawberries are a superfood. So I've gone for strawberries, and it won't last me the week, but I don't mind just having a banana because I put a banana in everyone anyway. and the toilet rolls, and that is everything I've got. And as I said, it came to £83.87, and I saved £7.15. Saved £1.30 with the yogurts, £1 on the cooked meats, 2 for £3. The lunch I saved £2.40, so one of those sandwiches was £2.40. 2 for £7 for the chicken, I saved £1.40, and I saved £1.5 on the 3 for £3 on Pepsi Max. And that is absolutely everything that I got this week. I'll be intrigued to see if I can get through the full week. I think if I need anything, it'll probably be painkillers if these migraines carry on. Maybe some normal water. Maybe Pepsi Max. Oh, I also got an 8-pack of Diet Coke, which I probably may not run out of, but I've got that ready. So, yeah, I forgot to show them. So, I'll probably need bread in the week. Oh, I forgot to get butter. I forgot to get butter. The person that I live with has butter. I forgot to get butter. I knew I'd forget something. So, I'm probably going to have to go for butter. Bread. Probably painkillers. Maybe an almond milk, maybe not. We'll see how we get on. Probably a bag of ice. I'll probably want some ice lollies, seeing as I didn't get any. I think I've got 2 or 3 in the fridge, but... And maybe yogurt. I can't see I'm needing anything else. I have run out of paint. If you've been watching what I've been getting, I couldn't see the paint. It weren't where it was, and it weren't... When you went in Asda, it used to be in the foyer. And then also there was a section in the shop where I was getting it from. I couldn't see it. So I actually do need to call there. I might call there tomorrow morning after I've walked the dog. And then I can get a pack of butter as well. And I need to have like a proper look around the shop where my head doesn't feel like someone's kicking it. So if I do a top-up shop and it's more than 5 items, I'll do a little top-up shop video for in the week. And I can imagine it being about 5 or more items anyway. So expect a little top-up shop video in the week. If you've got any suggestions, like I say in every video, of anything you think I'd like based on what I've shown you, please let me know. I like trying new things. I do eat predominantly vegetarian, vegan food, but as like I've shown you, I've got chicken. So I do eat... I prefer, if I'm going to have some meat, it would be chicken. So please don't recommend like a big fat steak, because as much as I don't mind eating steak every now and then, I probably wouldn't buy it. But any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. If you got to this part, let me know if you've watched it all the way through. I would watch it if I was watching people's food hauls, because I'm always interested to see what people have got. But let me know if you've watched it all the way through. And yeah, I'll hopefully be back midweek with a top-up shop, because I will be going. And have a great week, and thank you for watching.